Hello, welcome to my show, and we are in the car today. I'm gonna be videotaping some cities. I had to keep the phone away from the window because there are people. I can't.
So it won't fall out the window.
I can't videotape people.
Well, there's no people out right now. You hold it like this.
See, this is like live streaming television.
Want the window rolled up?
Yes. Daddy, I love you. I looked up a video on YouTube on how to live stream on your own TV channel, and I tried that, and YouTube keeps popping up with something that says you have to verify your account.
I can't hear you. Oh.
I got mad. I wanted to smack the phone. I had a mind virus.
Yeah, you really can't. You can get in trouble for being on that property. Are you sure?
Usually the live streaming app's not working. Makes me think about going to.
Yeah, but it's different now because of everything else that's going on.
Going to someone's house and having the idea. Or I'm not going to say that. I'm going to replace it with jail. It makes me think about going to jail to destroy property, not take it as punishment. Okay. Well, what if I want to just destroy jail property, prison property?
Yeah, it's been there though.
There's property in prison too. There's computers in prison too. I'm streaming already. Daddy, I love you. What if I think...
handicap sticker that Rip had in his car to take it downtown to get a new one.
Oh, they're talking. That's the frustrating part.
Yeah. 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 I won't hold my butt waist.
My mental calculations can't work properly without people talking to me about them. Well, I got in the red zone when people wouldn't talk about it all the time. And I thought about putting a virus on Mr.'s phone.
Mr. who?
Mr. Rip's phone.
Oh, Mr. Rip's phone.
Because I've been impatient with people that are talking, that someone else is talking, and I can't talk right now.
Well, that's too bad. Sometimes it be like that.
I mean, I want to make a setup question virus.
I'm
and
glad you wasn't born in China and live in China, because in China there's no talking in public. You go to jail for talking in public.
And download the setup question virus onto Mr.'s phone.
So many people down there, they don't play all that talking.
They don't play all that talking. Like they would say you could talk when you're making a video.
Nope. You can talk when you get in your house, your privacy. Outside you can't talk, on the buses you can't talk.
I could talk in my movies.
That's why you don't see a lot of videos from
That's why I don't see a lot of videos from China. I don't see a lot of China videos. A whole different world down there. That would be frustrating if you couldn't talk in China. It's because my phone overloads. And sometimes I want to curse like an adult when my phone overloads. That's the machines washing the car.
Yeah.
I didn't know there were computers that could wash cars.
Yeah.
Daddy, what is a computer that washes a car? Is there such thing?
So I don't know if it's inside the windshield, because I haven't had a chance to do the inside windshield, or if it's in the glass already.
Is there such thing as a computer that washes a car? Like, how can I be ignored? I'm not in China. I'm in Rochester. That's why I punched myself on YouTube. Again. On YouTube, there was a video where...
We don't have to. I don't want to, because it's too hot.
There was a video on YouTube where I hit myself because I'm not in China and I didn't want to be ignored. I didn't want to accept.
It'll automatically open up when you get to it. I come here all the time. This is the only one I use.
I want you to take this shit out. Don't be stuck here for a minute.
I'll
I
take
mean,
all
I
this
didn't
shit
want it
out.
to accept being upset. Wanted to be better in my life. And if I go to school, they will respond to me. They won't ignore me like my parents does. I have too much negative shows on my YouTube channel and I'm not getting as much views or audience to be watching that. If I go to the tantruming video, I only have no views. And those tantruming videos are bad. That setup answers were protected. We're protected. I wish I could be protected from setup answers. Insulated.
We'll get it in the club. Here's all the flavors I
And I learned about viruses of the mind. If you're upset,
Those are ice creams he's got on the window. Spider-Man. No, down low.
Look at all the flavors of ice cream too.
That's a movie we're making. Or a TV show. We're making a TV show. It's
Ice cream shop.
a reality show. We're making a TV show.
TV show at the ice cream shop. How many
Yeah, I love
adventures? Look at that. Look. Bomb pops. We got regular bomb pops. Bubblegum, raspberry, orange, minion ice cream.
Yes.
Cool watermelon. SpongeBob. Spider-Man.
Okay.
Strawberry shortcake. Push-up. Bubblegum. Cookie bar. Frozen punch. Batman. And Avengers.
Okay.
Look, they even do Swagler's famous hot dog. Swagler's came from here in Rochester.
Can negative data really damage the phone?
Look. We came here in Grandma's car. Is that Grandma's car we came here?
Gary, I love you.
Then we went to that car wash down
Like, is
there.
negative data on the phone a virus?
It's not negative. This is all positive stuff. That's what I'm trying to show you. This is positive stuff that you do.
I'm talking about the video on YouTube. Is it a virus?
Okay, soon we could take that too. Look at the traffic. You can get some. Look at the bird. See the bird right there? Wait. See the bird right there?
Yes.
Right there on the top of the thing.
Yes.
See him looking at you?
Yes.
He's checking you out.
Yes.
Get some footage of him.
I'm scared my phone might run out of storage. What if I can submit this to MTV? Yes. What if I could submit this to MTV?
We'll see.
Is that okay?
Oh man, you didn't record none of that? Like the ice cream parlor?
Human calculation is doing math, being able to count,
You didn't even record the bird while the bird was there.
and
Oh, you
human
shook
calculations is also it's also another way of computing.
Stop moving. You can't move. You gotta stay in there somehow.
I believe that human calculations is a form of computing and doing math.
Okay. What form of math? Algebra, geometry?
Human calculation is another way to compute.
Okay. So you're gonna interact with a computer, or you're gonna interact with another human being?
Get the ice cream, come to the table. I got some.
I could do both. But I don't want set-up answers.
Okay.
I want to go to school and get statements from the teachers. Get taught how to make statements. Now I believe calculating is a way of computing.
Oh.
I can ask you that question.
What's the question?
Is calculating a form of computing?
Calculating is a form of computing. Okay, here comes the ice cream.
Alright, there you go.
Thank
you. Have a good one.
Why is calculating a form of computing? Why is it considered human computing? Because it's math. Because it's human calculations.